Hello, my name is Julia Cody, and this presentation will be covering the issue of the Delta Smelt extinction. This issue relates to chapters 3 and 4 when discussing ecosystems and biodiversity. Chapter 11 is also relatable because it has to do with water population like the Delta Smelt's brackish waters. This story dates back to 2007, but it's still relevant to this day. The Delta Smelt, also known as the Hypomesis transpicificus, is a native fish to California's water. It lives in different ranges of water salinity and temperature. It is small in size, barely reaching 5 inches, and it is slim. Its color is silver with a bluish hue. It lives for 1 year, but can possibly live up to 2 years. This species is also known as an indicator species because it indicates that the ecosystem and organisms are living successfully and in good health. It also portrays a good water health. The Delta smelt are found in the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta, and they're also found in the San Francisco Bay. The water conditions can vary, but they usually thrive in cool, brackish waters below 77 degrees. They have adapted the ability to withstand changes in salinity and water temperature due to the annual delta water inflow and outflow functions. And here's a map describing where they are found, and as you can see there's the San Joaquin River, Old and Middle River, and that's all part of the same county, and then they also show San Francisco Bay. And there's also the Sacramento Channel that feeds into the delta. The delta smelt are important because as indicator species they provide crucial data for understanding an ecosystem and the quality of the water. Once completely extinct, researchers and communities will have a rough time estimating the quality of ecosystems and its health. This is important for San Joaquin community and many of its farmers and agriculturalists because they depend on the delta for their crops and lands. If the water quality decreases, then it will create a bad chain effect. With their declining population, and the destruction of other habitats, other ecosystems are also in danger of destruction. The water quality is also an important issue because that is where a lot of this community gets its water from, where it's filtrated from. So years ago, researchers and biologists discovered that there was a decline in population numbers. In fact, they recorded an all-time low of the species of fish. The delta is a hot topic to this day because there's always the issue of agriculturists utilizing the channels and its waters for their farmland. Brackish waters were an ongoing issue, but with the new issue of taking water away to be used for farms and their lands, the smelts were continuously going extinct. It wasn't getting fixed, and it was just an ongoing issue. Aside from political views, the delta was popular for well, it is popular for recreation like boating and fishing, thus leading to a lot of water pollution. With water pollution and diversion and the disregard for the small fish, it has led to their extinction. Water plants and water pumps are also a threat to the species. Their numbers are greatly diminished when they are sucked into the water plant intakes and pumps, causing mass deaths. Also, many may say that the smelt are an irrelevant species of fish, but their ecosystems thrive among other ecosystems which contribute to the habitats of other water inhabitants.